I'm going to show you how to work an increase. Typically, an increase is done through a single crochet stitch, unless indicated in the pattern. We're going to work an increase into this stitch right here. So insert your hook underneath the top 2 loops of the stitch, like that. Yarn over or yarn under, then pull the yarn through the loop to pull up a loop, and now you're going to have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over or yarn under one last time, and you're going to pull through both. And there should be 1 loop left on your hook. We're going to repeat that one more time into the exact same stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over or yarn under, pull through. There's 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over or yarn under, and then pull through both loops. As you can see, there are 2 stitches worked into that same spot. And that is how you do an increase.